Hey everyone, welcome to another session of BTM Math. Today we'll be unraveling the mystery of how to read a tape measure. So let's start on the left. I have a video where it looks like a picture of a tape measure that we use in the lab. So on the right, I'm just going to draw a section of it. And let's say that this is the same as the 2 to 3 inch designation. If you look here and here, the big line's coming in through the center. That is the half-inch mark. So if you're going from 2 to 3, this becomes your half-inch mark. If we go one step smaller than that, here, and we go one above, you could see the lines are a little smaller, and they're halfway between the half and the full inch. This is your 1/4 inch mark. And this is your 3/4 inch mark. So now that we have those down, those are the big ones. So again, here's your 1/4, your half, and then your 3/4. So what about the smaller ones? Well, let's draw this again. We already know that this big one is the half, and we know that this next sized one on either side is the 1/4. If we split this one in half on either side, we took a half of a 1/4. So again, this is our 1/4. And we are interested in that line. And that line. That one. And that one. Because we already know what the rest are. So again, we're interested in this one, this one, this one, this one. Now you can see there's a relation to the size of the line and the fraction. The bigger the line, the bigger the fraction. So the biggest line is half inch, the next biggest line is 1/4 inch. And in this picture, the smallest that we have so far is 1/8. So this ends up being 1/8 of an inch, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and then 7/8 of an inch. Now, when you look at the tape measure, again, you can see that there's another set of lines that's a little bit smaller, right? They're the smallest ones that are there. That one, that one, that one, there, 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 and there. Now, these lines end up going in between the eighths. and they're half of an eighth. I know I'm going through the fractions kind of fast. If you need a review on that, there is another video on fractions, just reviewing on how to make them equivalent to each other. So now that we're looking at this, so again, 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8, 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Now we're going to go over the ones on the bottom. So if we start with this one here, this ends up being 1/16. This one here ends up being 3/16. This one here 5/16. 7/16. 9/16. 11/16. 13/16, and finally 15/16. All these numbers are a little confusing, so what we're going to do is make the screen a little bigger. And let's go over this numbers again. So again, this would be the center of your blade. And we know that's a 1/2 inch. Then we're going to go over the next size marks. Let's make these red. This is 1/4. And the reason I did this is because let's put some fraction equivalents in there. And this is 3/4. Again, these are the next size line down, which means it's a smaller fraction again. And this is your 1/8. A quarter is equivalent to 2/8. And then we're going to have 3/8. And here's going to be 4/8. Whoa. That didn't work well. 2/4. 4/8. And this number here be 5/8. 3/4 is 6/8. And here will be 7/8. And that's it for now.